Hello everyone, my name is Divya Singh. I am a third year college student of St. Anandam Jaipuria College, Kolkata from Nutrition Department. On the occasion of National Nutrient Month, I have participated in an online recipe contest. So today I am going to share with you guys a quick and easy recipe of chicken cheesy popper. So let's get started.
For making chicken cheesy popper, we need 500 gram of small chicken cubes, salt, garlic paste, ginger paste, black pepper powder, 1 whole egg for marination, 2 eggs for egg wash, 2 small cubes of cheese, 1 whole lemon, white flour, chaat masala, refined oil, breadcrumbs, tomato ketchup. For marination, we will take small chicken cube, salt, ginger paste, garlic paste, black pepper powder, one whole egg, lemon juice, chaat masala, grated cheese, and white flour. Now we will mix it properly. After mixing it properly, we will cover and keep it in fridge for 1 hour. For coating, we will use breadcrumbs and we will add salt in it, black pepper powder, white flour, now we will mix it properly. For egg wash, we will take 2 eggs, pinch of salt in it, and we will beat it properly. For crispy coating, we will take breadcrumbs. In egg wash, we have also added white flour. Now we will start the coating. We will dip the chicken piece into egg wash. Then we will coat it with breadcrumbs. We will dust the extra one and will try to give it a shape. Now we will start the frying process. Pour the refined oil into the pan. Wait till the oil is heated up. Slowly we will add the chicken pieces into the pan for frying. We will fry it until it becomes golden brown in color. Now the chicken pieces are of golden brown in color. We will take out the chicken pieces and drain the excess oil. Our chicken cheesy popper is ready to serve. Enjoy it with ketchup or any other dip of your choice. It is a quick and easy recipe which is enjoyed by all age group people. Thank you.